Ayurveda is a system of healing that has its roots in ancient India. Ayurveda deals with scope and purpose of life. It includes health, diseases, happiness, sorrow, pain, and pleasure. Ayurveda defines life as a conjunction of body, mind, and spirit. Our purpose of life is to know or realize the Creator. Ayurveda is a medical science and its purpose is to heal and maintain the quality and longevity of life. It is an art of daily living. It offers a profound understanding of each person's unique body, mind, and consciousness, which is the foundation of health and happiness. Ayurveda is called a living science since it incorporates modern developments and techniques along with ancient wisdom. The British introduced Western medicine to India, which was and is considered a superior form of medical treatment. Ayurveda was suppressed and its practice was discouraged by government policies. Many Indians followed this movement to Western medicine and succumbed to the lure of quick fixes, shots, pills, and drugs and avoided personal responsibility for their own health. Today, people have started realizing that Western medicine tends to simply suppress the symptoms and does not help to prevent problems from recurring. Although Western medicine is extremely helpful for acute conditions and trauma, it tends to overlook the importance of individual response to the stresses and conditions of life. Ayurveda treats the whole person, not just the organ or system involved. Every healing system has a basic foundation of philosophy. Ayurveda philosophy is based on the Shat Darshan, the six philosophies of life, which developed from the ancient sages and scriptures of India. Many of these scriptures are known as Vedas or the written knowledges. Four main Vedas, that is Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Athar Veda, and Sam Veda. There are also four secondary Vedas called as Upavedas, subordinate Vedas which developed from each of the main bodies of knowledge. Ayurveda is also an Upaveda. There are debates regarding Ayurveda as an Upaveda of Atharva Veda. Few scholars feel that the origin of Ayurveda was within the Rig Veda. Vedas are highly spiritual wisdom and pure knowledge revealed through the hearts of enlightened rishis or sages. It is not a creation made by the mind of a man, but it's a revelation from the hearts of meditative sages. This ancient wisdom came from the caves and mountains of India, where the rishis had ashrams and disciples. Rishis imparted knowledge as they experienced it in a deep state of meditation. These early teachings were an oral tradition, and because there were no books, the students stored the knowledge in their minds and it became a part of them. As written music has no melody, so written mantras has little energy. For that reason, the rishis believed that mantras should not be written down. They tried to impart this knowledge from one soul to another soul through the oral tradition. The knowledge of Ayurveda has been passed down to us in sutras or small phrases.